This is the most successful banana planting I have ever done. I'm completely blown away by this. I know what happened. I know what I did here, but I'm still blown away by it. I don't have a small hand. And just to give you an idea of just how large this banana flower is. This is a double Mahoi. Double Mahoi does not always give you 2 flowers, so quite often you actually only get 1. But since double Mahoi is a mutation and nothing else, it's dwarf Cavendish. I just would like to show the girth of this tree and the explanation behind this, which is quite phenomenal and almost unbelievable, is that I planted this in March of this year. Literally this year. This was a large corm out of a clump that I dug in the back of the property. There's another one over there. We haven't seen a flower yet on this one, unless I just haven't seen it. Haven't fought my way up through here. No, we're not quite there yet on these, but I imagine we will be shortly. But this one, I can't believe what has happened here. This is just incredible. I mean, that flower is 18 to 20 some inches long. I mean, this is unreal. There's going to be so much fruit in there. I'm going to prop this today just to keep me from potentially flopping this tree over. She's already leaning. That's just going to be so much weight. There's going to be so much fruit there. The explanation of how this happened, how you're able to get, I mean, we're talking March is when it was planted. If you look back in our YouTube channel to February, there was a banana propagation video, and the triple flower that I got off of the double Mahoi is the thumbnail. And we dug that all apart. The entire clump came out in February, and we figured we'd start them over. And this is our rabbit barn. This is where we keep our rabbits, raise our rabbits. And Hurricane Ian took down a tree. I'll show you how this all went. That tree stump is back there. The tree was right here. We have now since overplanted and everything, but the tree was right here. It fell. It was about an 80-footer, 70-footer, something like that. Big fat tree, 3-4 feet across. It went down right where these bananas are, and it cut our rabbit barn in half. All this right here was also rabbit barn. It came all the way out to where these bananas are. And we just opted to not rebuild because it seemed like the universe was telling us you don't need that many rabbits, and the barn just needed to be smaller. So we just went ahead. No one got hurt, amazingly. But we had rabbits living here, right here in this soil, for many years. Probably 7, 8 years. Now this has just got some mulch on top of it, but we never did anything other than just raise rabbits here. So I'm gonna dig, and there it is. There's a sand. Just sand. The difference is rabbits sat here for 8 years, 7 years, and just pooped here. So while you may not be able to see the nutrients, you may not be able to see all that beautiful fertilizer and compost and stuff that has been broken down into the soil here, it's there. And it's in the sand, and it's just dispersed. So it doesn't look like a ton of organic matter, but you can't argue with the 5 months from a corm. I mean, I'm telling you, there was nothing there 5 months ago. It was just a bare corm. If you look at that video, you'll see what they look like, because that's exactly the ones that we planted. Hurricane Ian destroyed that. So I mean, we're not lying. I know it's unbelievable. It's unbelievable to me. These are the other ones, the double Mahois, that also came from that clump. This one here, there's another one over there somewhere. This place is just chaos. My beautiful finger line while I'm here. May as well take a peek at all the wonderful luscious fruits on this thing. My specimen finger lime tree. Yeah, there's some other double Mahoi right there. That came off that same clump. I'm in banana row here. All my praying hands are here. But the addition of rabbits to this system, I can't even tell you. Like, that alone, just seeing that kind of growth just from rabbit manure, and there's nothing else there. We don't use fertilizer here. It's all animal manures and compost and things like that, and that is all that went in there. So March, April, May, June, July, August. That is 6 months, and I'm looking at a fat flower. So it's pretty unbelievable to me. I'm blown away by it, but now that I know, and now I know what to do. Now I know how to keep working that. I know that rabbit manure absolutely is the answer to growing bananas in big numbers, huge bananas, lots of fruit. I mean, the amount of fruit's going to come off of that is, I can't wait. I'll do some updates on that. I'm really excited about it. So I'm going to go prop that thing right now with the Reynolds Prop. You can look at that video down further in our catalog. We're getting up there on a good number of videos. Need you guys to like our videos, subscribe, share, comment, all the things. We need all the things so we can keep going, keep doing this stuff, keep showing you guys how we're doing it, and hopefully help you guys to do it and grow more food. So grow more food. Later, guys.